Alright, here's how to increase WordPress upload size without touching a single line of code or begging your hosting company for help. When you click Add Media File, you can see your current maximum upload file size at the bottom. Write that number down because we're going to bump it way up. Head to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Search for Big File Uploads and look for Big File Uploads by ClickIT. Over 100,000 people use this thing and it works great. Install it and activate it. Pretty straightforward. Once it's running, you'll see Big File Uploads show up in your settings menu. Click on it and you'll get to the main control panel. There's a box showing your current upload limit. Change that number to any size you require. I'll go with 600 for now. This gives you 600 megabytes to work with, which is plenty for most files. Hit save. Go back to media and click Add Media File again. Your maximum upload size should now say 600 megabytes instead of whatever tiny number you had before. This plugin method works on pretty much every WordPress site I've tried it on. You can always go back and change the number higher or lower if you need to.